Hey there! Welcome to Applied Digital Tools. I'm so glad you found this channel. Let me ask you something. How many hours do you spend each week doing tasks that feel repetitive, time-consuming, or just plain boring? What if I told you there's a better way? What if you could cut those hours in half, get better results, and actually enjoy the process? Here's the reality. We live in an incredible time. There are thousands of AI tools and digital platforms designed to make your life easier, but most people don't know they exist or have no idea how to use them, so they keep working the hard way, doing things manually that could be automated in minutes. That's why I created this channel. Applied Digital Tools shows you the most practical, easy-to-use tools that transform how you work, create, study, or run your business. No tech jargon, no complicated setups, just beginner-friendly, step-by-step tutorial with real-world examples you can follow along with. Whether you're a student looking to study smarter, a content creator trying to streamline your workflow, a business owner wanting to automate tasks, or just someone curious about AI and technology, this channel is for you. You'll discover AI tools that write and design for you, productivity websites that save you hours every week, and smart automation that handles repetitive work. Every video shows you exactly how to use these tools with real-world examples you can follow along with. So, if you're ready to work smarter, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Give this video a like and share it with someone who needs it. Welcome to Applied Digital Tools. Let's start exploring better ways to get things done.